Hello, this is Keith Graham from Codasip. I'd like to introduce you to Assignment 11, Checkpoint 3, validating your new custom instruction in your CA model. Let's go to Codasip Studio. Up to this point of the assignment, you've validated that your new custom instruction is correctly accelerating the bubble sort program by reducing the number of instructions to execute the algorithm. In this checkpoint, you will validate whether you've properly implemented your new instruction in the CA model. To begin, you will have to regenerate your SDK for your CA model. And once you've regenerated that SDK for the CA model, you do not have to recompile your program, because you only need to recompile your program if two things really happen. One is I've actually changed my software program, or two, I've changed my compiler. My compiler only is changed or updated when I regenerate the IA model. And since at this checkpoint you do not have to regenerate the IA model, you do not have to recompile. So you can go right into profiling your CA model. Once my C profile has completed, I can view my most recent profile by clicking on View Profile. Now I'm going to expand it to a full window. And you can see my total clock cycles is 2,277 clock cycles, which was greater than my profile of my IA model. But once again, I expect that because my CA model is actually modeling my control and structural hazards. Now I'm going to scroll down here and validate that my new custom instruction is actually being used, which is a negative and you can see it right here. And you can see that the instruction count is actually larger than what you when I ran it in the IA model. The reason behind it is the way this profile is organized is every time an instruction goes into the decoder, the instruction count is incremented by 1. Now, this particular instruction is many times located right after of a branch instruction. So every time I have a control hazard, this instruction will have already been decoded, but will be, because the control hazard will become a no-op. And so that particular time I went through the decoder, it will not have done any work, but it will have been countered. That is the reason why the number is larger in the CA model compared to the IA model. Now, let's go take a look at what my instruction count was when I or in my CA model prior to my new custom instruction. I'm going to expand my view profile. And it was actually the second profile that I ran. And you can see that my original CA model before I added my new instruction was 2,394,000 instructions. A significant performance improvement by adding the new custom instruction to accelerate my bubble sort algorithm. Good luck!